Hey everyone, this is Anna from hotoptionbabe.com. I know it's been a while since I made a video. I had to take some time to step away, and I still need more time to step away and take care of some health issues that I have. But I won't be absolutely not around at all. I'll be here, in and out. And I just want to let you guys know, I appreciate your support, and I appreciate you being on the blog and in the lounge, and don't give up on me because I'm not giving up. So that being said, let's go to something happier and brighter and look at this 15-minute. You can see this, yes, it's rolling down here. It has broken some levels of support here. And again, let me remove those clouds because it looks a little confusing when you have too much sometimes. Okay, now let's look at it just to sort of, one of my favorite things to use is the 1030. And you can see that when the 10 crosses the 30 on the way up, it's a bullish move. When the 30 crosses the 10, it's a bearish move. So that's what I use, and you can see that cross right here. Full disclosure, I'm short the ES, and let's take a little bit longer look here. Now, I can't day trade, doctor's orders. Can't do it. He just says no. He doesn't want me to trade really at all, but there's always a compromise, right? So, okay, here we go. Now, and you can see that this 10 is flirting with the 30 right here. And this 30 looks like it is pulling down here. So I'm watching these candles to see how this plays out. You can see this large topping tail here, this long, just didn't fill, it wasn't a real bullish candle. It sort of gave us a key. There was your bottoming tail there. That's what I call them anyway. But what was key to me yesterday, and I thought that we would be, come on, thought that we were topping out, is take a look. I'm going to pull this down. Trend line. Okay, here's your trend line. Let's draw this trend line here to here. Now, this is what we want to watch here on the daily. Okay. Now, so far we're still in this bullish uptrend. You can see this quite clearly. However, that being said, look at all these candles here. That means the bulls are running out of steam. They're just running out of buyers. And there was, to me, it's not as perfect gravestone doji, but it's pretty close. So you top that, you couple that with your bearish divergence, and we should see some type of correction. We're overbought, on the daily, the weekly. Take a look at the weekly. That as well is overbought. So what I started seeing was these dojis, and that means that the buyers were actually running out of steam here. So we should see some correction this week. I'm feeling this week. Now, one of the first levels of support that I see is around 1285. Now, that's a big number for the bulls. If they can't hold the 1285 and it pushes below that, we're definitely should see 1260 in a short amount of time. Now, as long as it stays around 1250, you're going to stay in this bullish uptrend, but break that, and you could see a break down to lower prices. You can see the divergence right there on the daily. Take a look at the 4-hour. Now, that being said, and you can see the stochastics crossed over. You have a sell signal on your histogram. You're about to cross over on your 10 and 30. Like I said, that's one of my favorite ways of trading, is waiting for a confirmation for the 10 to cross over the 30 on the way down, on the way up. Sorry, for the 30 to cross over the 10 for bearish, and for you can see the 10 crossed above the 30 for the bullish, and then you get these moves over, and you see it went down here, crossed over here, crossed over here, and there you got your up move. Now it looks like it's about to, the 30 is about to cross the 10, so that's what we want to keep our eyes on right there for some more downward momentum. This thing is just slow as heck today. Now that being said, I always like to, you know, I'm not day trading. This thing is just not working for me today. What is wrong with it? It just doesn't want to change. I don't know if it's think or swim or it's me, but I have a feeling it's think or swim. Okay, there we go. Yeah, they have performance problems. Tell me about it. Okay. So again, you just want to watch these. I use pivots as well, and there we are, some pivots right here. 1270 is a pivot point as well on the ES. Now that being said, oh, it's still not working. I am long Apple, and I think Apple's going to melt up until earnings, and some of the announcements that it has coming. So we'll take a quick look at that chart, and you can see it got around here, this double top, and it's pulled back off, and it looks like it's making another attempt for that 427 area. Now it's getting a little bit overbought, but I'm staying long. I've got February call options on it. You can see a bit of divergence here, but Apple's one of those stocks, you know, if you don't want to be long, you don't really want to short it too often unless you're really, you know, you're really feeling it. So it's one of those really high performance loved stocks in the S&P 500 as well as the NASDAQ. That being said, I wish you all a very good week. Trade carefully. Don't overtrade. It's one of the biggest mistakes that you can make. Thank you for the love that I've gotten from some of you by email and on Twitter and on Facebook. I love y'all, and life is short, carpe diem, and we'll see what the future holds. Take care, and I'll speak with you soon. Any questions, you can send me an email at info@optionbabe.com.